In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set units in meters in AutoCAD drawings. Let's dive in and make sure we're setting the right units for all our design needs efficiently and accurately. Starting with the command line, you'll want to type in the letters UN and then press Enter. This command quickly opens up the Units dialog box, and it's an essential first step in setting up your drawing unit preferences. Once you've opened the dialog box, you'll notice there's a section labelled Insertion Scale. This is where you'll select the unit system you wish to use in your drawing. In this instance, we're aiming to use meters, so from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select meters. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for ensuring that all the elements in your drawing align with the metric system, which is often a standard requirement in many engineering and architectural applications. After choosing meters, all you need to do is click OK. This action confirms your selection and updates the unit settings for your drawing. Now the setup is complete, and your drawing units are set to meters. Implementing this unit setting ensures consistency across all your design elements, which is particularly important if you're collaborating with others or using external references. However, it's crucial to note that changing the units only affects how new drawings are interpreted, not the existing elements' size or scale within your drawing. So, to ensure your drawing dimensions remain accurate relative to real-world counterparts, you'll need to consider whether to scale the drawing. If your initial measurements were in another unit, you might need to use the Scale command. This command will help you adjust the dimensions appropriately to fit the new metric system. By typing the Scale command, you can select the objects you wish to resize and ensure that they align perfectly with the updated unit settings. And there you have it. You now know how to set your AutoCAD drawing units to meters. It's a simple yet essential process that saves time and enhances precision in your work. Remember, setting up your units correctly from the beginning can help avoid a lot of confusion down the line, especially when dealing with complex designs or collaborating with team members using different systems. Keep practicing this process, and soon it will become second nature to you. Thanks for tuning in. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.